and it's from Temp-tations. And if you know all the beautiful Winter Whimsy characters from Temp-tations, you're going to love this pack up. Now, you're looking at this cylinder and you're saying, wait a minute, well, that's Gumdrop, the gingerbread man, right? Well, it is, but it's actually designed out of 4 individual mugs. How clever is that? You get the little wire rack here to store your mugs when you're not using them, but when you put them into the rack, they form the character, which is so cool. And you get the gift box to go along with it with the to from tag already written on it. Only order of the season, $24.46, 4 easy payments on your credit card, and brand spanking new. Now there are 4 choices. You may choose, of course, the gingerbread, which is our first. You may choose Whimsy the reindeer, who is hilarious. I love his eyeballs. And then we've got the penguin. And finally, we have the snowman. These are all 14-ounce mugs. 4 individual mugs stack in a tower and create the character. So when you're not using them, they become a kitchen decor item. When you are using them, they're wonderful, solid, durable stoneware mugs that are 14 ounces and ready to roll even into the oven up to 500 degrees. Tara Tescher is joining us live via Skype. And she has put together something so perfect for the holidays. Tara, I'm in love with these towers of mugs.
I have to tell you, every time I look at them, I just get happy. They're just happy, and they create like such a fun tradition. The thing I love about our characters, David, is they're not just for one day. They're meant to be enjoyed throughout the holiday season. So whether you're picking up the Penny, our penguin, or Gumdrop, our adorable gingerbread, or Whimsy, of course, who I designed after our dog, or, of course, our snowman, Mr. Bojingles. These are great, durable stoneware mugs that you can put through the paces because all of our stoneware goes in the oven up to 500 degrees. So French onion soup, absolutely. They go in the microwave, reheating that cup of Keurig, sure. Or the dishwasher to clean it, the fridge and the freezer if you're doing something cold. They're just adorable.
Well, Tara, I can tell you already very popular. Our Gumdrop gingerbread man is most limited. Most popular is the reindeer and the Mr. Bojingles, which is the snowman. These are very popular and our only order of 2020. So if we sell out of any one of our characters tonight, there will be no more coming in before Christmas. You will get this beautiful gift box to put it in. So if you're thinking about giving this as a gift, 4 great mugs that make one character and a gorgeous gift box ready for you. You won't even have to wrap it. This is just a matter of writing to from and putting it under the Christmas tree. It's already wrapped for you. We are very busy on our phone lines. Again, here are your choices, and over 1,000 of these are now gone. Tara, awesome. First, we're beginning with Gumdrop, who is our gingerbread man, but our system calls it gingerbread man. So let me just, I'm not going to confuse you with their names. First, let me just tell you, if you want gingerbread man, order gingerbread man. He's most limited. Then I've got reindeer. His name is Whimsy, and I love him. And then we've got our penguin. And then finally we have our snowman. 1,500 of these are now gone, and 1,000 people just jumped on the phone lines, T. This is going very quickly. And I want you to know that when you get up during the holiday season in the morning and you want your favorite cup of coffee, this mug is at the ready. When you're ready to clean it, pop it in the dishwasher, and you're going to wash it with the rest of your dishes. If you want to bake a mug cake, as I'm doing here with Tara's mug cake mixes, drop the mix right inside, add a little water. We're going to stir vigorously and then pop this right into the microwave and bake a cake in the mug, Tara.
You know, so sweet, David. One of our dear viewers, Amanda, told me such a sweet story about these when she saw them online. She's a family of 4, and what she said with her kids is that she's doing the holidays earlier and earlier these days just because they want a little happiness. They want a little break from everything. And she actually gave me the goosebumps when she said this will become a tradition in her family where everybody has their own mug and they look forward to, when they're not using it, having it stack on their countertop and just bringing holiday cheer. But I thought that that was such a sweet sentiment that this could become a tradition that you take out year after year and share it with your family. I think it makes a perfect gift too, because again, it's not just meant for one day. This isn't This isn't just take it out, use it one day. It's all throughout the holiday season, and they just bring you joy. It just makes you smile. They're so stinking cute.
Well, Tara, I'm putting your hot chocolate spoons in some warm milk in one of the mugs, and while that melts, let me go through our choices again. And now over 2,000 of these are gone. Now, if you want gingerbread man, I have fewer than 200, and it's our only order of the year. Let me say that again. There are 200 gingerbread men left, and it's the only order of the year. If you want gingerbread, be on the line for it right now. Here's reindeer. I have fewer than 500 left. I would not wait on the reindeer either. If we sell out of any one of the characters tonight, they will not be back before Christmas this year. Here is your penguin. Super, super cute. With fewer than 900 left in the penguin. And then I have your snowman. We brought the most of the snowman in, and we brought in 2,000 of these. I have only 600 left out of the snowman. We are very, very busy. And Tara, we want to remind everyone, you supplied us with a beautiful pre-decorated, perfectly sized gift box that you won't even have to wrap. All you do here is write to David from Tara and put it under the Christmas tree because it's already wrapped for you, and it's designed for this tower. So there's not anything to worry about. Tara, this is something cuter than I've seen us do in so long with Temp-tations. Just really perfect for the holidays.
And I just wanted to say, if you're new to Temp-tations, our pieces are hand painted. They have hand applied accents. And I wanted to show you truly kind of the brilliance behind this. There's a little like a canal that runs down the back of him. So when you're thinking about stacking, you literally just take it and slide it down. And because all of them will line up, all of your handles, you never have to worry about where the character goes, how you find him. Hopefully I did him right. I did.
Well, you know what, Tara?
When I was doing it before, I put him upside
down. And Tara,
down.
you can't do it wrong. That's the thing.
That's right.
The only thing that you can do wrong is if you put them out of order, right?
Well, and then it's just fun.
And then it's just fun because then his head's on his feet and his feet are on his head, right? But, you know, it all depends on what you had in that mug as to how it may turn out. True story. But this, stop, Jinx, buy me a Coke. All right, so this is what it's all about. We're very, very excited to have this for you. We're now final quantities and everything. Wait, what? Okay, Tara, we have sold out of gumdrop. We have sold out of reindeer. I'm going to put them back here just because I'm a little afraid it's a little too much to haul. We've sold out of snowman.
Penny's left. We got Penny.
We began our show with 5,500 of these. I have 500 remaining in the Penguin Choice Tara only. And I want everyone to remember, to Tara's point, as long as you have the cups in the right order, you can't put them in wrong because it gives you a guide to put these in, and the handles all stick out of the little opening in the wire rack. So there are the handles, and here is your character. So stinking cute. Now, the penguin's name is Penny, is that right?
Yes, and for those of you who see that cardinal on the top of her hat, I actually do the cardinal in honor of my father. So every Whimsy character, and I know many people view cardinals as a symbol. So the cardinal is on all of the characters as well as the box. And like I showed you, Penny, they just slide right out. David, these go in the microwave, the dishwasher, the fridge, the freezer. The oven. And the best part, they all go in the dishwasher, which is great. The oven up to 500 degrees, right? 500 so you have French onion soup in front of you, mulled cider, hot chocolate, all of those feel-good things we love to drink this time of year.
And our stylist, Carol, put together a beautiful table, but this sold so quickly we barely got to see it. So you can bake in these. You can do French onion soup in these. Do a mulled cider in here. But if you want Penny Penguin, the only choice I have left, I have fewer than 200 left to go around. And QVC.com and mobile app is your best ordering experience. Tara, what a great way to start our show.
Cheers, my friend.
Enjoy, my darling. Have a great night. Go pour something spirited in that cup.
I will. You better believe it.
All right, Lucky. Hey, it's time now for David's Down Home Deal.